welcome to the 2019 Mudgee Big Bird Shoot. It's the first time we've been out to the range, and there's the toilets and showers in the background, and that is the clubhouse. Check out this view. So green here. Beautiful hills on the other side. The first shots of the day have just started behind me. And apparently this is a really good shoot. A few people from Dubbo couldn't manage to get here, so making sure I'm filming everything for them. Show them what they're missing out on. I've got my Acapulco shirt on from Mexico when we went last year, the Cliff Divers. Amazing show, recommend it if you ever get the chance. And so, yeah, just waiting on our score sheet and we're keen to get started. See how this range treats us today. Pull. So guys, I want to talk a little bit about this circle thing on the ground here, because so we're at the rabbits. This is the first stand and it was so fun. You've got your A there, which is your rabbit, which I didn't miss other than once on this last one, lost a bit of concentration. This second rabbit is like a downhill fast one, and then that one goes up and it looped around. But back to this circle. So this is called the Fitask hoop. And Fitask is just our discipline with sporting clays. And I love it. It's much better than standing in a cage, I think. You feel less restricted, less squished in. So yeah, that's what they call it. The hoop or Fitask circle. Pull.
One.
Pull.
One.
Pull. Pull. Pull.
A's behind the drum. It'll be a right to left. One. Great second. B, the teal.
Here we are at stand 5. Pull. Pull. Got to work on getting my gun speed up and judging the speed of the clay. But something that Ben Hustwaite was talking about on one of his YouTube videos, which I've been watching recently since one of our club captains in Dubbo, Rod, has put me onto him. So Ben talks about a predetermined, finding the speed, matching the speed of the clay, and then a predetermined lead to hit the target. And so I've really been focusing on that today, and I think I'm going to have to continue focusing on that next round when we shoot this again.
Pull.
There it is.
Ew.
Target seed. Pull.
That one's so going to shoot the trap.
Nice.
Pull.
Pair, A and C.
Pull.
Lost in one.
Well, it's 10 past 11. We've been shooting since about 9:30, and there've been some very challenging targets. A few that even the AA graders scratching their heads on. I'm sure they'll work it out by the next time round. But I'm keen to see what the rest of the course is, and what we're noticing about Mudgee is that because the topography is doing one thing and the clay is doing another, it can really trick you. So there was one bird where the hill was like going up, just straight up on an angle, and then the bird was coming across like it was going into the hill, but then when we looked at it from a different angle from the next stand, it was actually going up. And so they can be really deceptive and not what they appear. So we're getting on to the next stand. I think we're on stand 7 now, first time round. Mudgee so far has been putting on a very good show.
Pull. Pull.
Lost in one.
People that have been to state selections have said that some of these birds, like this whole course, is fairly challenging. So that's reflected in my score of 26 today for the first 2 rounds. So we shoot 32, the whole course is 32, and then we shoot that again, the second round, which we just finished. And then we're going to break for lunch before we head back out to shoot the final round of 32. And so my first round I got 10, the second round just then I got 16, and I feel a bit better about some of the targets, but there are still quite a few of the big birds, quite literally, that are still beating me. Just don't know where to shoot them, struggling with where my kill point is versus my viewpoint. It's quite a challenging course today, and the birds go from being close to you to being far away. So let's see how we go after lunch. So Andrew, our AA shooter in our squad this time. I've been watching you shoot. What's your best tip for someone just starting out with shooting?
Best tip would be getting the basics straight first.
Yep.
Stance, hold, and then your technique. You're going to follow through, pull away, whatever you're most comfortable
So
with.
hang on. This pull away. What's this? What is pull away?
Pull away is where you apply the target, and then you actually pull the gun ahead of the target, and they call that pull away.
Right. So when they say keep the gun moving,
Yes.
that's pull away.
Then you've got sustain lead. So you've acquired the target, you've come through it, and you keep that your gun ahead of the target. And then you've got swing through. So you come from behind and you pull the trigger as you swing through the target.
Okay. I think that's mainly what
They're
I'm
the 3
doing. Swing
techniques,
through.
or 3 main techniques.
Right.
And then you've got to apply that for the target you're shooting and the one that you feel most comfortable with. That's
Right.
the most important thing. If you're not comfortable, you're not worrying about the target, you're worrying about your stance or the hold, whatever it is, you're not going to hit anything. So one, get comfortable, and then set yourself up. That's what I reckon are the key things to hitting a target.
Excellent. Thanks for sharing. Andrew Bell.
Second in ladies is M. Trapman.
The really big bird that was so hard to hit in the last stand. Today was so fun. The use of topography out here was fantastic. It really challenged your perception of the bird. So I had a fantastic time. Thank you to everyone involved.